If you're a freelancer or business owner, the Article and Design podcast is a must-listen. Hosted by experienced freelancer of over 10 years, Margaret Sulapas. Article and Design podcast covers a range of topics that will help you run your business more effectively. You'll learn about time management, marketing, pricing, and more. And because it's made by freelancers for freelancers, you can be sure that the advice is relevant and useful. If you want to improve your business skills and knowledge, tune into Article and Design podcast every Saturday. Now listen up and enjoy the show.
Hello and welcome to the Article and Design podcast made for Filipino freelancers and business owners. And to anyone who plans to outsource to Filipino talents. I'm your host, Margaret, and in this episode, we'll be discussing a topic that's been on the minds of many freelancers. So that is, will AI tools steal our jobs, Margaret? Is this the end for freelancers? Is our freelance career at risk? So, in this solo episode we'll be exploring the impact of AI tools on the freelance industry, and I'll give you a quick example. If you're a freelance website developer, how can you adapt to this technology? Before I proceed, I'd like to invite you to become an A&D Pro member. For only $59 per year or pay in 3 terms for $25 per month, you get access to all our products and courses to become a successful freelancer that can get paid often and can set clients for life. And this coming April, one of the live micro workshops of A&D Pro will be about adapting the AI technology if you're a writer, graphic designer, or a website developer. Or basically if you're creating content or creating social media posts. And how are you going to use these AI tools to your advantage? What AI tools to use? And how are you going to adapt to these tools and integrate it to your workflow? So I'm going to share with you some of the AI prompts that you can use as well, the templates, the AI tools that you need as a freelancer, and how are you going to find clients also using the AI. So this is all jam-packed. I encourage everyone listening right now to join the A&D Pro membership, and let's make the AI technology our friend. And let's avoid being redundant, guys, and continue to provide value to our clients. First, I'd like to say this before you get discouraged or feel on edge about this technology that, hey, AI is not human. So the human input, emotions, and nuances are not present in these AI tools as of this moment. Probably they have yet to be replicated, so we don't know. As a freelance digital marketing strategist, myself, I've been following this topic closely, and I'd like to share my thoughts on it with you today. And I've purchased a lot of different AI tools myself, tried it myself, subscribed to ChatGPT Plus, to Jasper AI, Descript AI, so for SEO, etc. I have experience using it. That's why I'd like to share it with you in our upcoming A&D Pro. So first off, let's acknowledge that AI tools are becoming more advanced and capable of performing tasks that used to require human input. For content writers like myself, I sometimes do write, there are AI-powered tools that can help with keyword research, topic ideation, and even content creation. So some of these AI tools are actually for free. So these tools can speed up the writing process and ensure that content is optimized for search engines, which is really a plus. So similarly for graphic designers, for our listeners right now who are graphic designers, AI tools can help with tasks like image recognition and editing, color palettes, and of course, layout design. And for website developers, AI can also help with website optimization, user experience design for our friends in the UI UX, and even chatbot development. And also, there are AI tools that can quickly build a website, guys, so there is no excuses. To those freelancers who are saying that you can become a freelancer without having a portfolio website, you're definitely wrong and you're going to be left behind because there are AI tools that can help you build your website portfolio even in less than 5 minutes. So guys, keep up. Keep up with the trends and momentum. So with all these AI tools available, it's understandable that some freelancers like you and me are worried about our jobs. So are we going to be replaced by these AI machines, Margaret? My answer is, I don't believe that's the case, honestly. Yes, AI tools can certainly help with certain tasks, but They can't replace the creativity, as I've said earlier, the human nuances and expertise of these human freelancers. So ultimately, clients will still need us, freelancers, to provide a unique perspective and bring a human touch to their projects. What I'm seeing would be the disadvantage, probably. If clients are working with 5 freelancers before to run his business, probably because of these AI tools, clients will just practically hire 3 freelancers. All this like tools, and it could be done by probably 3 freelancers instead of 5. So I think that's the only disadvantage right now. So what I'm trying to say is you need to adapt. All right. Later on, I'll discuss further. So ultimately, clients will still need freelancers to provide a unique perspective, again, and bring a human touch to these projects. However, as I've said, I do think that freelancers who refuse to adapt to this new technology or new reality will risk getting left behind. The question now, again, will AI replace freelancers, Margaret? AI technology may not replace freelancers, but freelancers who embrace AI will inevitably replace those who don't. I hope I'm clear with that one. AI tools are here to stay, and they're only going to get more sophisticated over time. We've seen all this progress. We've seen ChatGPT. They have announced that they're releasing the ChatGPT 4 very soon. So probably if you've listened to this episode, it's already ChatGPT 4 is already there. Or probably if you've listened to this episode, it's already GPT 100. We don't know. So as freelancers, we need to learn how to use these tools effectively and incorporate them into our workflow. By doing so, we can work more efficiently, deliver better results for our clients, and most of all, we can position ourselves as experts. So what I'm trying to say is, I don't believe that AI tools are the end for freelancers, my friends. Okay, there I said it. Instead, they are an opportunity for us to improve our skills and provide an even better service to our clients. So my advice is, let's embrace AI and all the benefits it can bring to our freelance careers. I'll give you a concrete example how to navigate this major change. For example, you're a website developer. Then there are several AI-powered tools that can help you work more efficiently and deliver high-quality websites for your clients. So for example, I'll give you just on top of mind, like 4 AI tools that could help you as a website developer. So first is website optimization. So there are AI-powered tools that can assist you with website optimization. So these AI tools can also analyze the website data. It could identify areas of improvement and suggest changes to improve the website speed, user engagement, and search engine ranking. So by using these tools, you can ensure that your websites are optimized for the best possible performance. So you can add this to your portfolio package that you can also do this, but you're not going to do that by yourself. There is a tool that you're going to use. So what is the tool? I'll join our A&D Pro and I'll share with you all the tools that you can use. So that's 1, assist with website optimization. Number 2 is, you know what? There are tons and tons of repetitive tasks that we do as a freelancer. So this AI tool can greatly help to automate this repetitive tasks. So for example, tasks such as testing, debugging, and code optimization. So by automating these tasks, you can save time and focus on more complex tasks that requires your expertise, right? So number 3, I'm thinking most of our website developers are also UX UI practitioners. So you can use these AI-powered tools to improve your user experience. Your website user experience, because these AI-powered tools can analyze the user behavior and provide insights on how to improve the user experience of a website. So you can ensure that the websites that you deliver to your clients are actually user-friendly and it meets the needs of your client's target audience. So you can also add that as a package to your website development. Number 4, I was thinking of chatbots. Okay, chatbots have been here for a while, if you remember that one. But right now, they're becoming more and more popular. And chatbots these days, because of these AI tools, it's not anymore convoluted to set up a chatbot. It becomes easier right now. And why chatbots is important, Margaret, for websites? Because it is a way for businesses to provide instant customer service. right? So there are a lot of AI tools that can help you develop and integrate these chatbots into your websites, to your clients' websites. So it will make it easier for your clients to connect with their target audience or their customers. So those are 4 of the things that on top of mind, I'm thinking that how all these AI tools could help a freelance website developer. And it's just like you're not only a freelance website developer building websites, you are now a freelance website developer on steroids because of these AI tools. Make sense? So again, by incorporating these AI tools into your workflow, you can work more efficiently, deliver high quality websites, and stay ahead of the competition. Additionally, and you can also use these AI tools to showcase your ability, and then you can position yourself as, hey, I'm a forward-thinking and tech-savvy website developer, which can help you attract more clients in the future because I'm using all these tools that you need and all these tools that will be adaptable in the next generations. So the question now is, Margaret, I don't have the budget to subscribe to all these AI tools. To answer your question, I will discuss these tools. How could you get this for free, or you could get this in a subscription? And what are the best tools, budget-wise, that you can use? I'll discuss this all in A&D Pro membership this coming April. So that's it for today's episode of the Article and Design podcast. So thank you for listening, and I hope you found this discussion helpful. I'm making this short because I want to put the premise that, hey, right, don't be discouraged. We got this. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to reach out to me on social media. We are on Facebook, LinkedIn, on YouTube. Just follow us. Look for Article and Design. And we also have a Facebook group called Article and Design Community. So feel free to join us and tag me there if you have a question. So again, if you want to learn how to adapt to these AI tools and use them to your advantage, please join us on our A&D Pro membership for only $59 per year, or just pay in 3 dirhams. So watch out for the next episode coming next week. We'll discuss the 3 essential steps you need to do to get clients, especially in this day and age of AI technology, and there's a lot of competition. And in the next episodes, I have interviewed some of the graphic designers from the Philippines and how he made it by sticking to his niche, and what are his principles in getting clients, and what are the difficulties of getting clients as a Filipino. And more to come. I have interviewed tons and tons of people that could help us improve our freelance and digital business. So guys, again, this is Margaret. If you like this episode, please leave a star on Spotify or Apple Podcasts, or comment if you're watching this on YouTube and like this. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell, because you will greatly help us, and it will help us more on how to create more content. It will help us to deliver valuable content for you. So again, bye for now, and thank you so much for listening to me, and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you for listening to our podcast. We hope you enjoyed the show and found content helpful, insightful, or entertaining. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, guys, please feel free to reach out to us on our Discord, YouTube, or Facebook platforms. Just search for Article and Design. If you want to go to the next level, check out our website, articleanddesign.com, and be an A&D Pro member. Until next time, you super freelancers, stay grounded. Bye! Oh, hey, you're still here. Can you give us a minute and leave us a review on our Facebook page? Thank you so much.